Negotiation isn't just about getting a lower price. It's about presenting a strong case while maintaining a positive relationship with the seller. The goal is to strike a balance between being firm while keeping the conversation productive. In this section, we'll explore the right techniques to help you secure the best deal without jeopardizing the transaction. Negotiation is one of the most powerful tools in your home buying journey. When done correctly, it can save you thousands and ensure you don't settle for unfavorable terms. Mastering negotiation puts you in control of your investment, allowing you to secure a home at the right price and on the right terms. It's about strategy, confidence, and knowing when to stand firm. Here are the best ways to maximize your leverage and get the best deal. First, use an inspection report to your advantage. If the home needs repairs, use the inspection report to request price adjustments or that the seller handles the fixes before closing. Sellers are often more willing to negotiate when faced with documented repairs. Second, ask for seller concessions. Instead of just negotiating price, request closing cost assistance to save money in other ways. Many sellers are willing to offer these perks to close the deal. And finally, be willing to walk away. If the terms don't align with your budget or expectations, walking away gives you leverage. The power to step back often forces sellers to reconsider their pricing or offer better terms. By mastering these negotiation techniques, you'll position yourself as a confident buyer who gets the best deal possible without feeling pressured into overpaying.